वन्दे गुरुं पदद्वन्द्वं भक्तवृन्दसमन्वितं श्रीचैतन्यप्रभुं वन्दे नित्यानन्दसहोदितं श्रीनन्दनन्दनं वन्दे राधिका चरणद्वयं गोपीजनसमायुक्तं वृन्दावनमनोहरम् अद्वैत प्रकटीकृतो नरहरिप्रेष्ठ स्वरूपप्रियो नित्यानंद सखा सनातन गति श्री रूप हृतकेतन लक्ष्मी प्राणपतिर्गदाधर रसोल्लासी जगन्नाथ भू सांगोपांग सपार्षदं सजयतां देवः सचिनंदन श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। यदि नहीं बुझे के हो सुनते सुनते से हो कि अद्भुत चैतन्य चरित कृष्ण उपजीवे प्रीति जानिवे रसेर रीति सुन ले है बड़हित। I first offer my pranam to lotus feet of our Gurudevs नित्य पृष्ठोम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सत शिष्य भक्ति जीवन जनार्दन गोसाई महाराज नित्य पृष्ठोम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर भक्ति वेदांत नारायण गोसाई महाराज ऑल श्री रूपानुगुरु बार्गस वैष्णवस एंड वैष्णवीस। So we are hearing श्री रूप शिक्षा सचिनंदन गौर हरि श्रीमन महाप्रभु is teaching to Sri Rupa Goswami Pad. Actually, Rupa Goswami Pad is eternal associate of Sachinandan Gaur Hari, but he is speaking him only for us. This is not for him, but giving him this all thing, this all message, then that message can pass. Like in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna speaks to Arjun and saying this all understand what I am telling do. It just be nimit. I am doing, but I am using you like instrument. Nimit means without whom what you cannot do, that called nimit. So Mahaprabhu is making this all his followers like nimit. They are doing behalf Sachinandan Gaur Hari. So main doer is Mahaprabhu. They are like assistant, not secondary doer. What is heart transferred to them and they giving to us. So Mahaprabhu's teaching, when sadhak start to sadhan, kriti sadhya bhavet sadhya bhava sa sadhana vida. So in sadhan, when bhakti, our heart, bhakti when rise, sprout, like in Madhurya Kadamini, Chakravarti Pad is saying, Hirda Bapre Nav Bhakti Satsa Vitate Sanjivani, Swagama Rambhe Kam Tapat Ritu Daha Dabni Viswapago Ulasani, Duran me Marusakhno Api Sarsi Bhavaya Bhuat Prabhu, Sri Chaitanya Kripa Nirankus Maha Madhurya Kadamani. So, mercy of Mahaprabhu, his Maha Madhurya Kadamani, he nourishing all type of bhaktis. He is by Shravan Kirtan opening our heart. When go to Guru Vaishnava, Gurudeva Shravan Kirtan, then that is water. This water given by Sachinandan Gaur Hari. This ras, this all, this mood. A that thing there, just going to rain. And when it's prayed, then this aparad you have to cross. Vaishnava aparad you had last time. Then this all anarthas, this all upsakha co-branches, bhukti, mukti, vancha, and la puja, pratishtha, this all when cross, puti, nati, निषिद्धाचार कुटीनाट्य जीव हिंसन लाभ पूजा प्रतिष्ठा आदि जतुप शाखा का. Then when this cut sadhak very carefully, then this main branch go to Golok Vrindavan, shelter Krishna's lotus feet, that is desire tree. When shelter to that desire trees, then what your desire, according to your ruchi, according to your taste, desire, their fruit come out. What? Because all jivas not same desire, not same mood. Samdas, Sakya, Vasal, Madhur, this come. Then when getting this prem, taha sai kalpa vrikshe kare sevan, sukhe prem phal ras kare aswadan. Means we are sitting here, but here is not Pragat Leelas. Here is not Leela is now continuously. Leela is disappear. But from here to there you can make connection. Where is Leela going? Taha means Golok Vrindavan, or Taha means also can be another universe where Leela is going. There you connect and do that seva. So sadhak mostly from here to Golok Vrindavan doing connection. When you chant to this mantra, mantra is like connection. That time connect to eternal leelas. And according to your mood, you can taste to that bhav. Here many sadhak you can see, they are so much absorbed, cannot remember their in body. But this will test. So when this type prem come, ruchi come, rati come, asthai bhav come, who get this type bhav, they are very fortunate. This is our goal, our aim, Krishna Prem Prayojan. यही तो परम फल परम पुरुषार्थ, जार आगे तीर्ण सम चारि पुरुषार्थ. This is the top most result, getting to Krishna Prem. That procedure in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu given. Adho Sarda Tata Sadhu Sang. Adho Sarda Tata Sadhu Sang Atha Bhajan Kriya Anarth Nirvritti Nishtha Ruchi Asakti. Then Rati, that called Bhav. And after that Prem coming. The Bhav is the Asthai Bhav level, no? After Bhav, no one can drop. No one can come back. This become fixed. Before that problem, but Bhav means very close to Prem. Prem soon come. Prem soon jansu sambhak ruchi vischita masirna krida se bhav uchet. But here saying this Prem, Bhav and Prem like very close. After that Prem, so Prem is very soon. So that Prem when means this asthai bhav come on this little more developed, go to Prem side, then no more chance to anartha. Their anartha fully destroy. Nishtha 100%, everything become 100%. Ruchi, asakti, all become sarda, everything become 100%. But after 100% it still rise. This is nature of Prem. Means no space to sarda more go up, no space to no bhajan kriya go more up, because that is not got last limit of bhajan, means Prem came. So their sadhu sang more, and bhajan kriya more, and anurti more, nishtha ruchi asakti more, no space. Fill up. But nature of bhakti, no one satisfied. Fill up, full of Prem, but still increase. As much go up, that much thirsty, that much no lamenting. Radhika is last level of Prem, that called Madnak. But see how much lamenting, how much she is no feeling. Who can explain to that? If see any grass, which grass touch to Krishna's feet, which feet is some kumkum, some chandan, and that grass, on that grass some bhilin, ladies, no low caste ladies just took this prasadi and putting them body, and she feels so much jealous, so much irsas. How they getting? How they getting? No any restriction, no any bondage, no any difficulties. We are gopi, we so much love Krishna, but we have so much problem. Family problem, parents problem, this mother-in-law, father-in-law problem, all problem, many problem. We cannot directly serve this step or get this step person. So just telling, no, she has top affection for Krishna, top love, last limit of prema, but she is not satisfied. So this all bhaktis things always stay. After Mahaprabhu will tell, no, this यही तो परम फल परम पुरुषार्थ जार आगे तीर्ण समचारी पुरुषार्थ. When this prem come, then after no any desire material, all things destroyed. That time any worldly things look like grass, like very cheap. तार आगे तीर्ण समचारी पुरुषार्थ. Whole world too much hard laboring for dharma, but they don't know what is dharma, what is religions. So different people just on speculation making religions. Some saying too much donate for charity, this is dharma. Give to sick people medicine, poor people food, clothes, help to society. Yes, that is can be some part of dharma, but it's not 100% dharma. This some help, okay, this too kind to jiva good, but this kindness not enough if not doing Krishna bhakti. You have no Krishna prem, these all activities not working for Krishna seva, they are not connection Krishna bhakti, then this type dharma useless. Maybe some sukriti give you material, you can go heaven, and someday sit with demigods or can drink something or come some dance something see, and after that finish. This dharma or any this type jagyas, karmas, like many people doing many jagyas, but that jagyas not for bhakti, not connection bhaktis. So dharma, artha, any wealth, any property, if no serve Krishna, what is that? Any calm means according to your desire, you have nice wife, many nice children, families, all they fulfill your desire, of what you want from them getting. This called calm, means fulfill to desire. But no bhajan, wife not doing bhajan, husband not doing bhajan, children not doing bhajan. So this type of happiness temporary. And devotees, this type of pleasure looks like grass, like very cheap, nothing value for them. But if they are add bhakti, then too much valuable. So Bhakti Vinod Thakur also saying, what I have, this all I am using for Krishna. धन जन दार गृह तुम्हारे बलिया रक्षा करी आमी मात्र सेवक है. I am not doer, I am servant, I am not owner. So this all my house and families and wealth, everything belong to you. I am also your and this is also your. So your things I doing your seva. This way use, then that is useful. Otherwise, without that, Kaviraj Goswami and Mahaprabhu saying to do this useless. So one devotees, when go to sadhu sang, then they own conscious, intelligent, develop, which thing how to use. Without sadhu sang, without association of sadhu, this type of idea never come. You cannot think. Binu satsanga vivek na hoy. Proper idea, proper understanding coming by this step. Guru Parampara, this line followed, what they pure knowledge, pure understanding gave, which thing we can get, then can proper rely. So dharma, arth, काम and moksha. Many people last goal, I liberate. I don't want any problem. Just go to muktis. Many people also don't know what is proper muktis. Muktis also many division. So they just like to merge. Brahm Sajus or like to Aishwar Sajus. Yogis like mix in Paramatma, Jnani likes mix in Brahm Jyotis. Sometimes devotees like Sarup, Salok, Sastis, Samipya, this time muktis, that is different thing. But they are also Swasukhuttara, own happiness. I like same place like Bhagavan, same opulence like Bhagavan. I like to stay close to Krishna, like some Santras people, no? Like to stay close to Bhagavan, but not like to serve. But too much nishtha, okay, something better than nothing. Very close, but not like to serve. Some Sant, like this, but okay. But one pure devotees no want to disturb anything. He no like to opulence, no like to anything. They like to serve. If I close to Krishna, if I serve. Otherwise, just close Krishna, no service. What is that closure? Closure. So dharma, arth, काम, this moch, all are like very small. यही तो परम फल परम पुरुषार्थ जार आगे तीर्ण सम चारि पुरुषार्थ. Last time you already heard this service, this premas, even little smell come in heart, no fully came, just start to coming. That time all riddhi, siddhi, samadhi, brahmanand and all pleasure, all happiness not make so much surprise to that devotees. Otherwise, many people by some siddhis bewildered to another people. One yogi is 50 years did sadhan, small age went to Himalaya and came after 50 years, returned to home, and he is showing to siddhis. He can walk on water without sinking. And whole village become mad, that mystic power. Oh, you will earn something in sadhan, 50 years. Big thing you done. My village name become very high. I have one person who can walk on water. Then one old man crying saying 50 years he spent just 25 pies. Then this man little upset, happy to my sadhan, what I get these big things. Saying this thing, what help to any people? You can cross one river just walking. That river I can cross by boat. Or just pay 25 pies. Also sit and sing and very happily go. And it's too hard work because you have to 3 kilometer, 2 kilometer river cross just walking. So this time mystic power, this step siddhis, just make some surprise ordinary people, but this is not big things. Big things, one jiva's heart change. All unearth, everything, all desire destroy and give full affection for Radha Krishna. This one time get in life, when this prem come, never stop, forever stay. Or this material, anything come and go. It's not permanent. So Krishna's bhaktis, Krishna's bhaktas, all relating to Krishna's things, all are eternal, transcendental. So one intelligent person should try to get that things. Tasaiva hetu prajatet kovido na lavyate jad bharmatam uparadha. Any plant go, any area you go to high planets, Bhu Bhuva Swa Jan Tap Satya, you go Atal Bital Sutal Talata Rasatal Patal, even go Muktis, Dham, anywhere, if not get this Krishna Bhakti, then this place what? Or they are not exist. This exists, this world only by sadhu sang. So Mahaprabhu, this Shiksha giving to Rupa Goswami and saying who come this type love, deep affection for Krishna, they don't want anything. They just want love. Ekantino jasana kanchanartham. Ekantik means one pointed, one nishtha, one bhav, asthai bhav got, rati got, prem got. They know any arth, no want anything. Bachanti jadve bhagavad prapanna. They fully surrender to Bhagavan. Atyadbhutam tat charitam sumangalam gayanta anand samundra magna. They singing past of Krishna, they singing name of Krishna, and they remember all things of Krishna, all his holy places, all this Brajas pond, mountain, Vrindavanam, Govardhanam, Jamuna, Pulinani cha. This place, what give pleasure even Krishna Baldev, all Brajavasi, Radhikas, these places they looking eternal transcendental areas. And also remembering these all Leelas pastimes. Big Jnani Uddhav forget everything and no one return to Mathura. Saying this Anand Gayanta Anand Samundra Magna. This all area go, look and sing, are they getting so much pleasure. Sarvatmasna Panang Parang Vijate Sri Krishna Sankirtan. This Krishna all pastime singing. Then what need to Dharmarth Kam Moch? Brother of Ramchandra, Bharatji, when he go to visit to Ram, Prabhu Ram, on crossing to Ganga river, then he's praying to Ganga, saying, you are Bhagwan's lotus feet, nectar. You have so power, so merciful. You give me benediction. And he asking, Arthana Dharmana Kama Ruchi Gatina Chahau Nirvana. Janam Janam Rati Rampad Ya Vardhanana. I no want artha, any material property. I am no any dharma and kam and moksha desire. I life, every birth I want to close and very strong attachment of lotus feet of Ramchandra. No another benediction. So this time many words. In Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu and Hari Bhakti Vilas, many places, and Puranas, this quote Rupa Goswami gave. Tay darsaniya abhay udare vilas hase chit bama sukta hirta atmano hirta pranana cha bhaktir anichato gatir anming prajungte. Sometimes dharmarth kam devotees get for Krishna seva, but muktis too much fear. तार मध्य मुक्ति वांछा कैतव प्रधान. This big cheating, लाभ पूजा प्रतिष्ठा, this is one type hypocrisy. But big hypocrisy, big kapat, kuti nati, that is want to muktis. Mukti means you no want to any service of Krishna. And sometimes you like big Krishna, big Brahma. But this mentality very dangerous. Even you go mukti loki no satisfied. This Shankaracharya Pad is saying, Muktapi lilaya vigraham kritva bhagvantam bhajante. Who liberate, they no satisfied that liberation. They again come this place and go to sadhu sang and do Bhagwan's bhajan. Bhaj Govindang, Govindang bhaj mudamati. Bhagavad Gita kinchit dhita Ganga Jallab Kanika Pita Sakirdapi Jas Murari Samarcha Tasya Jamakim Kurute Charcha. Bhaj Govindang, Govindang bhaj mudamati. So Kapil Dev telling to Mother Devhuti, Bhagwan's beauty is feet to head so attractive. Because Bhagwan's Sri Vigraha so proper, accurate. Like this not made by Brahmas, what called Sacha. It's not under Brahma creation. Krishna himself manifests. Swarat. So beautiful. Krishna's beauty, who can explain even Krishna's feet, nails, how much beautiful, when rather in looking that fit nail, she just look. This was Bilva Mangal Thakur no saying Chinta Manir Jayati Somagiri Guru में शिक्षा गुरु से भगवान सिखी कुछ छमौली जद पाद पल्लव लीला से खरेसु लीला स्वयंवर रसम लभते जयश्री. Jayasri Sarupa Sri Radhika's, when look Krishna's feet nails, eyes not move. If nail like that, then whole part of body how much? So proper, so accurate. Krishna's knee, Krishna's thigh, waist, stomach, chest, arm, face, eyes, ear, nose, head, hair, everything, no? So beautiful. That darshan everywhere. Vilasa hase, this beauty on smiling big beauty like honey dropping. And looking any devotees, then any burning, any tension, any crying, any tears, everything dissolved. You see Krishna's smiling and happy eye glance, then you no more cry for anything. Even crying something, this cry will dry, these tears will dry. Sokasru visosna matte udaram. So Krishna's all Sarupa so merciful, so udar. Any part of Krishna's bodies, if darshan, that darshan, how much you get, all desire fulfilled. So much happy. So who devotees darshan on this type of service, that type devotees say, you take some mukti. Even Krishna push, take mukti. Anichato gatir anming panjukte, they no desire. Because this service, so much taste. Darshan, seva, too much taste. What is sadhak, big siddhas, eternal devotees, they too much do Krishna seva, or feel so much happy. Sometimes mind come, I am siddha, what need to I do? I just sit one place and all do for me. This is only bhogi people do. One bhaktas not this mentality. I become Bhagwan and all donation pranami come to me, all love to me. No. Who love, no love, they no care. They too much love to Krishna. Example like Jasoda mother, no? Nirmamant swayam dadhi. Ekda griha dasisu Jasoda nandan gehani karmanta nijuktasu nirmamant swayam dadhi. Jasoda mother, how much love affection for Krishna? She has thousand of dasis, dasas. Ekda griha dasisu. But she no used to them direct service for Krishna. They do seva but distantly. Especially seva, especially Krishna's like to butter, yogurt, milk, this cow, special cow's milk, Padmagandha's milk. This thing Jasoda mother take care. She bringing from cow place, this what called Gausalas, and boiling, take care. One day jumping, then even throw to Krishna and stop to that milk. So herself she doing seva. Herself she teaching to Krishna. No giving to dasis. So take care to Krishna. No. This world don't know what is love for Krishna. Even they no love to each other, no properly. What love to Krishna? You have no affection. If some have love, proper love, even material world, that love Krishna pull his side. So if you learn from Jasoda mother, she herself teach to Krishna how to walk, how to dance, how to speak, many things she's doing like this. So this is, when do for Krishna, that is not Maya. This is not ignorance, Jnani thinking, oh, this love told children, this is Maya. Because Krishna's Mayik. Mayavadi think Krishna's body is material, Panchabhautik. But they same time forgetting Bhagavad Gita is Krishna himself saying Janma Karma Chame Divyam. If saying Maya, material is body, then what meaning of this word? Krishna himself telling my birth, pastimes, lila, everything is transcendental. So that means Krishna is speaking that is useless on his same Bhagavad Gita preaching. But no accepting that word. Sachidananda Rupaya. I have transcendental body, no material. Namam diskrutunu muda prapadante naradhama. Maya apritam jnanama surang bhavam asritam. So this affection for Krishna, that is not ignorance, that is not avidya, no smita, no material things, no any material anartha. This is full of conscious. This is called Krishna consciousness. And who have this type conscious how to serve Krishna fully from heart, they all anartha destroy. Easily, nothing to do. This is the big sadhana. Fully conscious to Krishna. Like Brajavasi. Tesam avirate Krishna kurvati nam sute chanamna punah kalpate rajan sansara jnana sambhava. Brajavasi just think Krishna is my friend, Krishna is my child, Krishna is my Prabhu, merciful deity, Krishna is my beloved. That thought, they no more any attachment. Sukdev Goswami, Parikshit Maharaj was surprised, saying they never think Krishna is Supreme Personality of Godhead. Just thinking ordinary, no Laukik Sadbandhu, but Gurudev always use this word. And Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu also mentioned Laukik Sadbandhu, but when Raslilas Gopis all destroyed, they visit to Krishna. Then Parikshit was saying, Krishnang vidu param kanta, natu brahmataya mune. Gun pravaho param tasam gunadhyam katham. Gopis are thinking Krishna is supreme beloved. We love Krishna more than anyone. But they are not thinking Krishna is supreme Bhagavan, supreme personality of Godhead. Just thinking my top beloved. These were too much attachment. They no care anything. On them all problem destroy. All gun, everything gone. Gun prabhav, gunadhyam katham. How they stop all this attachment, all bondage, and went to Krishna, saying yes, this is called Sarup Shaktis, power of things. Everything have own power. You know, don't know. And he will go to close, he will show his power. If someone say, I don't know what is fire, I will touch. I not give any effort, I'm not giving so important to fire, not so much care to fire. If think like this, I no care to fire, what will do fire? But this is nature of fire. You care, not care, you will touch to fire, then he will burn you. So someone believe Bhagavan, not believe, but go close to Bhagavan, then Bhagavan Sarup things work. So Gopi anyhow love to Krishna. No or don't know, but without knowing one drink nectar. This ko Uddhav saying, Kema striyo banchari bhavichara dushta Krishna kwa chaisa paramatmani ruda bhava. Nanvi sarva bhajtapi sachat shreyas tanot agad raji vopajukta. These Brajas Gopis are no so high. They are ladies. So they know when to high study. And ladies means Gopis. So not so much study or not so much culture. The culture like very normal, very simple. Cow dung collect, cow milk collect, clean courtyard, this type doing. No, they have no so big things doing. And forest to forest they move. And many things people think about them. But I don't think like that. Because Krishna Paramatmani Ruda Bhava. They have so much bhav for Krishna. This bhav I not reach. Many people not reaching. This they have reserve things. Ruda Bhav, Anadi Ruda Bhav, this bhav no out of Brajas. There is some Gok and Bhav level on Anurag level, but no this all bhav. So saying someone know or don't know, if love Krishna, then he will, according to his Sarup power, give mercy. Like someone don't know drink nectar, someone don't know drink poison. Without knowing he drink, or knowing drink, if drink poison, he will kill you. If drink nectar, he will give so much health, so much energy you. So similarly, anyhow, who come to Krishna, tasmat ke napupayena mana Krishna nivesayet, they getting param purusarth. Later or sooner, they come that level. Or that go to more and more. So means coming to Bhav and Prem stage, that means he got your life goal. So when high thing getting, then low thing automatically, no care. So this dharma, arth, kam, moksha, they forcefully serve to devotees. Devotees no want, no care, but they four things thinking, I will go behind forcefully. Because they're thinking, if devotees not use me, then my material people use me and I become useless. My life become contaminant. So any dharma, arth, kam, moksha, no want to contaminate. They like to purify. So dharma jumping and saying, yes, this world what's called to dharma, without Krishna bhakti, that is adharma. Or any adharma, anything, if connect to Krishna, all become dharma. Krishna himself saying, mat nimitang kritang papak mab dharmaya kalpate. Mama anadrit dharmapi papam syat mat prabhavata. If someone doing some sin, but that is, I am goal for me, that is dharma. Or some are disrespect to me or doing dharma, that is adharma. Suppose morning time, now not in Vrindavan, but like 20 years ago, you walk in Parikrama, then many trees, flowers trees, you can find. That trees maybe belong to some farmer's land, but very strong desire, I like this flower. Also no money, but you thinking I will take and I make garland. Then what doing? Maybe 10, 20, 50 flower, 1 kg, half kg flower picking. This is like stealing. This is sin, but same time not sin, big dharma. Because this is not your personal desire. You like to make happy to Thakurji, because all belong to Krishna. So taking that thing or giving to Krishna. So who have this land or who have this flower, he also getting sukriti. Otherwise he will sell this flower some person marriage party, some own function where it's not bhaktas. They take or they use personal. If bhakta hand go, then this must go to Thakurji, become prasad, then they will take prasadi mala. But who are not bhakta, they are not making any prasadi. They are directly using. So this is, same time can be dharma, same time can be adharma. This depends to connection of Krishna. This all move. So dharma like Sarvadishta devotees. Deska Bilva Mangal Thakur is saying, when my bhakti is fully fix your lotus feet, like bhav level come, or when I see your this Divya Murti, that time I know any desire. Bhakti stai bhagwan sthir tarasayat daiven phalati Divya Kishore Murti. That time mukti sang muklitanjali sevatasman dharma artha kam gataya samaya praticha. Mukti, liberation, folding hand will come behind me. You take me. And dharma, arth, kam, moksha, they also wait. No push me. But just they wait. When you desire, take me. Samay praticha. Because devotee is too much, sometimes upset, something, unnecessary thing come. So things no pushing, but next to him extend up. This cause one bhaktas never desire. If any desire, I want this, I want that, very quick. Bhagavan also sometimes like, you take something and give me freedom. If not taking anything, then I indebted. But something I give and you happy, then I also think, okay, I free. Mukti dadati karachit samana bhakti jogam. Narad Muni saying to Yudhishthira Maharaj, you are very lucky. By bhaktis, he controlled, born to Krishna. राजन गुरुपति अलम भक्ता जदूनाम दैव प्रिय कुलपति क्वच किंग करोबा अस्तंग भगवान भजतांग मुकुंदो मुक्तिम ददाति करिचित समना भक्ति जोगम. With Krishna you have varieties of relation, many type of relation. Sometimes thinking Krishna is your child, sometimes thinking Krishna is your friend, sometimes thinking Krishna is your Prabhu. Kunti mother thinking Krishna is my what called bhatijas, what called bhatija, nephew. Like this way, many mood. Wow. And all rishis munis when come here, then staying in line. Without your permission, they cannot enter Krishna darshan. But for you, no any restriction. Anytime go Krishna's room. Even 12 o'clock night time opening door. Krishna, you are doing here meditation. Tomorrow what to do morning? Tell me. I know sleeping on what you are doing like this. Anytime, no? Because this type relation, this type bhaktis. So Bhagavan, somewhat do bhajan, then quickly like to give dharma, arth, kam and moksha. But no giving this type bhaktis, this type attachment, this type relation, which relation control to him, born to him. But you have like that. This one pure devotees, no want to any this material things. But these things are running behind. You don't think bhakti have no siddhi power. They have so much siddhi power, but they no showing. They have so much property, so much wealth, but they no show. Sanatan Goswami doing bhajan, he show one money, chinta money, front him. Baba, why so much you hard laboring, no? Just use me, or nice thing eat. Nicely do bhajan, why dry chapati, why begging this, that. But Sanatan Goswami saying, nice eat, then nicely sleep. Nice thing come, then many problems, bhajan you cannot do. So morning time brush doing, and when show this money, 1 second looking what to do, saying useless. If I use this thing, then my bhajan disturbed. But then he's put some mud on top, covered. Like this. So if they want, and showing to magic power, and there was in Vaishnava devotees. Magic means he just doing hand like this on some garland, bringing some this, bringing, and people start to speaking, oh, he's Bhagavan. And then magician also become puffy. No, sometimes yogi jnani some mystic thing telling, and public too much give respect. And sometimes they're saying really big power, big Bhagavan, like this something. And he's also think like that, thinking, okay, these foolish people think like this, I am okay. Like one yogi, Bhaktivinoda Thakur's time, and he called Phalgu Bhagavan. And he said, I am Mahavishnu. And he's making public too much fear. This day, I will make 4 hands and cut all these betrays, this, that, many things tell. So all public too much respect, too much doing this, that. So these way like to cheat. So when he's showing this mystic power, then one devotee said, if this way you cheat to public, if this way can be Bhagavan, then I'm bigger than you. How many mala you can make like that? I double do like that. I have also this type power, but I know apply this way, no like this way cheat to public. So they know this all attentions. But things is there. Means bhakti means big siddhis, big power, big property, big things. What need? Everything's there. But bhaktas always very humbly staying. Too much dainya. This is the bhaktis, no ornament. If Goswamis are doing bhajan or which type they have bhaktis, who can compare to that bhaktis? this Braja Bhaktis. But they too much cry and lamenting, never satisfied by that bhajan. And saying, na prema sarvanadi योग्यता अथवा वैष्णव ज्ञानम व शुभ कर्म वाक्य तो सज्जाति रस्ति व हीनार्थ अधिक साधकम तथा पछित मूला सती हा गोपी जन बल्लभ व्यथते हा मदाशय आई हैव नो प्रेम, नो श्रवण कीर्तन, नो वैष्णवता, नो हाई कास्ट, आई सो दीनहीन, हे गोपी जन बल्लभ गिव मी मर्सी लाइक दिस they cry. So when this prem come, they too much make to humble, or they know anything want. तार आगे तीर्णसम चारि पुरुषा कैवल्यम नरकायते त्रिदशपुरा आकाश पुष्पायते दुर्दांत इंद्रिया काल सर्प पटली प्रोत्खाट दंष्टायते विश्वम पूर्ण सुखायते विधि महेंद्रादि किटायते जद कारुण्य कटाक्ष भवतंतम श्री गौरम में वस्तुमा. When Sachinandan, Gaur Hari, Radha, Madhav's Kripa Kata's gate, then hell look, Mukti look like hell. Kaivalyam Narakayate. Heaven look like sky flower. In sky not possible flower. No, this is called Akash Kusum. So Swargas not exist. This is like one type, no, magic. There's nothing. You wake up, this things, then this bhog is nothing, like dream. So Swarga also like one type dream. And all things like useless. This many things. No? So saying when prem come, no any desire. But for that prem, we have to start to sadhan properly. And sadhan should be pure, Shuddha Bhakti. महापुरुष सिंह शुद्ध भक्ति हैते है प्रेम प्रेमा उत्पन्न आते व शुद्ध भक्ति रे कहिए लक्षण. शुद्ध भक्ति which type? Then this one example in Bhakti Rasam Sindhu Rup Goswami gave that definition. This is the base of Narad Pancharatra Srimad Bhagavatam. There also same definition. Slok is different but bhav is similarly. Anya bhilasita sunyam ज्ञान कर्माद्य अनावृतम अनुकूलेन कृष्णानुशीलनम भक्ति उत्तमा. उत्तमा भक्ति मीन्स अन्याभिलाषिता शून्यम. दिस भक्ति श्रद्धा टू महाभाव लेवल गो. बिल्कुल एवरीवेयर हैव दिस भक्ति. डिफरेंट varieties, different type, but this Uttama Bhakti stay all stage, sadhan level, Shraddha level, sadhu sang level, nishtha ruchiya sakti, this all level, saneh pranay man, rag anurag, every level this Uttama Bhaktis hai. But who how much followed, that much they develop. So bhakti means no abhilasita. It's tatastha lachan, no? Then saying abhilasita sunyam, not abhilas. Abhilas one thing, abhilasita another thing. Abhilas means devotees have no any desire, but some situation they can something ask. This one, like out of control situation, that time devotees can tell to Bhagavan, help me. Like Draupadi, she never asked to Krishna. They stay forest, but never tell to Krishna, tell me 20 kg gold on some money or some this. Too hard work, too problem begging. But when Durvasa Muni came, that saying if no protect, then he will burn all Pandava. When in assembly Dushasan pulling cloth, then saying this is your bad reputation. Nobody chant your name, saying Krishna devotees. Krishna saying I am protecting devotees, but see what happened. So this is your problem. So he come. Draupadi no desire to ask Krishna, but situation like that, then she calling, lamenting. So this is not too much disturbance of bhaktis. Sometime, this is not nature, this is called Swabhav Viparjaya. According to situation, nature change. Not nature to asking, but the situation, who's like this? Like some bad situation come, that time say, hey Nirsingh Bhagwan, save me. But this situation, no always saying, oh Nirsingh Bhagwan, save me, oh Nirsingh Bhagwan, oh Krishna, give me Rajbhog, give me Rabdi, give me Rasgulla, give me this. This is called Abhilasita. Name of bhakti is too much Abhilasita. Abhilasita, Didi is saying this means Vilasita. Name of bhakti, too much glass, too much bhog. Hey, you not bring for me grapes and what called apple. Tomorrow no class. How much giving? At least 50% return. Okay. Tell, or they understand, then bring, but no everyday tell. Means anything, no ask. Naturally come. And when naturally come, then also how much you need, that much take. Sometimes I need what called 1 piece, but I taking 20 piece. Maximum 5 piece eating forcefully and 15 piece rotten. And after throwing, giving monkey on. If no, then saying, okay, take this. And as you like, throw and eat. This is also very bad. So as much you need, that much keep. Another thing, quickly give here there. This cause Rupa Goswami saying, Javat jasya projanam svikrija tatharthavit adhiko nunyataya cha chavyate paramarth. How much you need, that much take. If take less, then problem. Take more, then problem. So bhakti means no abhilasita. No name of bhakti, too much ask. Make like list. Sometimes devotees, anyone like to give something, Bhagavan, I give this much seva, but I also want this much. Sukh, I want to happiness, I want to pleasure, I want to wealth, I want to health, I want to this, that. Too much ask. Sukh sampati ghare aave, kashta mite tan kala. So here Rupa Goswami is saying, Mahaprabhu is teaching, anya bhilasita sunyam. अभिलाषिता शून्य ज्ञान कर्माद अनावृतम. इन भक्तिस कुछ ज्ञान और कुछ कर्म covered. This thing not apply. Like Brahm Gyan mixed to Brahm Jyotis, Brahm Sajujya, Jiv Brahm Aika Gyan. Jiva and Bhagavan both are same. Aham Brahmasmi. Tattvamasi. But Tattvamasi is not same things. Tattva, two things. We are his. We are relating to Krishna. Tatsattvamasi. But people twist this word on saying, you are that. You are Bhagavan. You are Brahma. So this type of understanding, this type of knowledge, very dangerous. This will cover your mood, your seva, your bhakti. You cannot serve, because how long seva can save this bhav not exist, then how we can cross this anartha? How can reach to Krishna place? So sevak sevya bhav binu bhavna tarai urgari. Garuda is telling to Kag Bhusundi, if like to material world close, all anartha, date and birth, then you have to always develop service mood, servant mood. I am servant, Krishna is my Prabhu. All mood have service bhav. Vasal ras, Sakha ras, Madhur ras, all ras serve to Krishna. They no like take position of Krishna. They like under Krishna, serve to Krishna. So this time knowledge very dangerous. But service knowledge, paricharja knowledge, knowledge means gyan, no? How make garland, how make nice dress for Krishna. Like Natvar Bapu, Krishna's Natvar, then his clothes should be like that. Many, no, designed, research by your thought. this type knowledge develop, how I can decorate Krishna different way, how can make cook Krishna's different things, nice things, different varieties. So this paricharya, service knowledge, not engaged to bhakti, this is not covered to bhakti. This type knowledge or this type karma. Karmad means Gopi also doing many activities. Bhakta do many activities. Clean to temple, clean to pot, clean to Thakurji cloth, and do many seva. This outside looks like karma, but this is not ordinary karma, this is bhakti. So tat karma haritosam jat sa vidya tan matirjaya. Real karma means serve to Krishna, that is bhakti. Or real knowledge means mood fixed to Krishna lotus feet. One devotee, when do pranam to Vaishnava Guru Dev, when anyone pranam to Sachinandan Gaurhari Mahaprabhu, then Mahaprabhu always say Krishna mati rastu. Your mind fixed to Krishna lotus feet. Or one Jnani who are telling Narayan means you Narayan, I Narayan. So who will love whom, who will serve whom? But two Narayan, big accident. Only one Narayan is good. Big fight come, which Narayan beat to whom Narayan? Or each Narayan cannot kill each Narayan because very bad. So Narayan should be one and all be servant. And Bhagavan really one. One Bhagavan, many Swarupas. According to Bhakta's mood. Tang Bhakti Yoga Paribhavit Hidya Sarojas Surti Chitananunat Punsam Jajjad Dhyauru Gaya Vibhavanti Tatat Bapu Pranasa Sadhanu Grahaya. So according to devotees' desire, ruchis, Bhagavan that Swarupa make Ram, Nirsingh, Vaman. But Mool Swarupa is Krishna. He is saying Anukulena Krishna Anusilanam. So Krishna Anusilan means another Swarup also coming. Because Krishna holding all Swarupas. What you want, Krishna can show. When Goswami Tulsidas came Vrindavan and he said, I like you, very beautiful, but I cannot do pranam because your hand is flute. So I like which hand is arrow and bow, this Bhagavan pranam. Kaha kahu chavi bhale bane ho nath. So beautiful, Barha Pilam Natvar Bapu. But Tulsi not do pranam this Swarup. I have no interest to this Swarup. I interest to Ram Swarup. So Tulsi mastak tab nave jab dhanus ban lehu hath. Immediate Krishna become Ramchandra. Arrow and bow in hand and gopis here their hide. And Sita Devi's manifest, Radhika becomes Sita and Tulsi darshan. So Krishna any Swarup can show. रामादि मूर्ति सुकला नियमेन तिष्ठन नानावतार करोत भुवनेषु किंतु कृष्ण संग संभवत परम पुमांजो गोविंद मादि पुरुषम तमहम भजामि. Krishna संग संभवत. No one manifest to Krishna, but all came from Krishna. This is called Swayam Bhagavan. Jar Bhagavata hete anyare Bhagavata Swayam Bhagavan tahate satta. If someone asks to Ramchandra how Krishna's, Ramchandra Prabhu cannot become Krishna Sarup. No any place. One time Sita Devi asking, Ramchandra said, Dankara Rishi Munis, okay, next time when I become Krishna, that time will come, I will accept you like beloved. Then Sita Devi saying, what is that Sarup? Then Ramchandra's by arrows on stone making that deity, that is Gopinath, Chirchora Gopinath in Odisha, Remuna. But Ramchandra himself not become Krishna. But you ask Krishna, how is Nirsingh Ram Vaman? Immediately become. Like Mahaprabhu, all Sarupas Swayam. So this is original, can make all. But all Sarupas cannot be original. This is the main Mool Sarupa Swayam Bhagavan and Prakash. No, Ete Chans Kala Punsa Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam Bhagavan and Ansa Kalas. This is the difference. But all are same things. So Anya Bhilasita Sunyam Gyan Karmad Anavritam. Anukulena Krishnanushilanam Bhaktiruttama. This Anya Vilasita Sunya Gyan Karmad Anabir, that is not enough. This is Tatas Lachan, this is okay. But main things, Anukulena Krishnanushilanam Bhaktiruttama. Uttama Bhakti means we should serve Krishna. Anukulena, favorable way. Anukul means not like Krishna, what like. This is not meaning Anukul. How good for Krishna this we do. Anukul means we thinking, okay, we not do any partikul. Like many varnas, ashrams, people things, like one sannyasi, one brahmachari, one girihastha think, I am following all rule regulation. I know lying, I know cheating, I am honest like this, and everything follow rule regulation, but I know serve Krishna. That is also not bhakti. Anukul there, but no anusilan. How can say? If Jasoda mother thinks, I make everything favorable to Krishna. Krishna's Nand Baba think I protect many cow for Krishna. This all milk for Krishna. This all servant for Krishna, everything for Krishna. But no one giving one thing to Krishna. No one doing seva. So we all making favor but not serve, then this favor what? Should be anusilan. Anukul one thing, anusilan another thing. If together not work, then what is bhakti? Anusilan means service. Anukul means like some rich man, so much he have property and is so busy and he no serve his old parents and 5-10 servants keeping for him. And when his parents asking water, then servants go with glass, take water and giving medicine, giving food. Mother, father, okay, happy, but not so much happy. But when his own son directly go and take one glass water, oh my mother, father, take this water, take this medicine. Himself and father crying, then he take care of, don't cry, doing service, no. Own self take care, anusilan, that called bhakti. Making anukul one thing, but they are not service mood. So many jnani yogis like that, saying, okay, I'm not doing any against thing, I'm following, I'm controlling my senses, everything. I not do nonsense, I not drinking, no eating, but also not doing any bhajan for Krishna. Then what is this time? Because Kaviraj Goswami said, Charo Varnasrami Jadi Krishna nahi bhaje, Soa karma karito orve padi maje. If 4 varna and ashrams following on rule, varnashram dharmas, but not doing Krishna bhajan, no anusilan, then what is bhakti? So Uttama bhakti means yourself apply. That is very good. Because Amrish Maharaj himself apply. Himself doing seva. Yudhishthira Maharaj himself cleaning Krishna's feet. He can say, oh, I am big king, I am doing Raisu Jagya, my too much name coming, and if I serve Krishna's feet, then another king what will think? That means my position lower than Krishna, I am elder Krishna, many things mind come. Then that is not bhakti because he is not doing anusilan. Anukul, giving so much name fame to Krishna but no himself doing seva. Then that is not Uttama bhakti. So Yudhishthira himself on head putting Krishna's feet, on crown putting Krishna's feet. A Shishupal cannot tolerate this. This is too much. Why putting your head to Krishna's feet? Then what you are? This is cowherd boys. His behalf, Kansa Maharaj, cow grazing on all butter, all milk coming to Mathura. They are servant of Kansas. They are very low position. They are das. And you putting his feet, your head. So this type no against not bhaktis. Also, Krishna likes this criticize when Mustik Chanu playing, when fighting with Krishna, like this thing, Rochmana like, but there is not Anukul Bhav, no proper Anukul Anusilan. That is not bhakti. But Jasoda mother something throw Krishna according to his mood, not doing, but what's he doing? This service for Krishna. Say stopping milk for Krishna. Krishna like or no like, this not matter. But mother mood for Krishna's goodness. She big, no? She's guru. She too much thinking. This small baby don't know what is good and bad. This guy is baby nature crying and too much pressure to mother, why not giving milk? But mother too much giving for Krishna, no? So she knows what is Anukul, Anusilan, what is Uttama Bhaktis. So when this step, Mahabhagavad Vaishnavas associate and hear and look them mood and bhav and service, then this thing transfer. Bhaktis to Bhagavad Bhakta Sangena Parijaya. This all. So today's overtime, and after that Mahaprabhu many things teaching to Rupa Goswamis, how this Uttama Bhaktis, Suddha Bhaktis, no, start through the sadhan. Sadhan Bhaktis, when become thick, then become Rati Bhav. This is a Sthai Bhav, and this is Sthai Bhav when rise to upside, Prem side, then Prem Vridhi Karme Saneh Man Parnay Rag Anurag Bhav Mahabhav Hai. And they are all rasa samagris mixed and make so tasty. This Ashta Sattvic Bhav, Vibhav, Anubhav Sattvic, and Sanchari means Vyavachari Bhavs. This all theories in Sutras Mahaprabhu said, but Rupa Goswami make big laboratory and everything apply, which ras, how much mix, then which type test come. And that is Bhakti Rasam Sindhu or Ujjwal Nilmani. So this all katha next time we will hear, next Thursday. राधा माधव जुगल किशोर बिहरत वृंदावन में, राधा माधव जुगल किशोर बिहरत वृंदावन में, ललित माधव जैसे बदरी राधा रानी बिजुरी अंगोर बिहरत वृंदावन में, राधा माधव जुगल किशोर बिहरत वृंदावन, ललित माधव शिष मोर पंख राधा रानी चूड़ामण हार बिहरत वृंदावन में, ललित माधव अधर पे बंसी राधा रानी बिना धन बिहरत वृंदावन में, राधा माधव जुगल किशोर बिहरत वृंदावन में, ललित माधव पीतांबर धारी राधा रानी नीलांबर धार बिहरत वृंदावन में, ललित माधव जैसे है चंदा राधा रानी लगत चकोर बिहरत वृंदावन में, राधा रानी जय चकोर बिहरत, ललित माधव छैल छबील राधा रानी प्रणय विभोर बिहरत वृंदावन में, ए माधव सवे चित चोरा राधा रानी माधव चित चोर बिहरत वृंदावन में, राधा रानी श्याम कृष्ण है सब जग जीवन राधा रानी जीवन आधार बिहरत वृंदावन में, राधा माधव जुगल किशोर बिहरत वृंदावन में, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Ram. Nitai Gaur Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Nitai Gaur Hari Bol. Sri Gaur Premanande. So this all Anushilans should be mindly, should be bodily, and should be bodily. Also, all mood, all this Sanchari Bhav, Anubhav, Sattvic, this all Bhav, this Bhav Rupa and Chesta Rupa, this Anushilan go to last. When associate to Nitsit Parikar, they will more give this understanding. How do Krishna Anushilan? We are now doing practice but not proper. But after that, when Bhav level come, then proper all this understanding come. They are really doing Uttama Bhaktis by Chesta and by Bhav. This all. One Bhav make Krishna in so much. No? Ases Hav Bhav Dhira Hira Bhusi. Vancha Kalpatarubhasya Kripa Sindhu Patata Lang Pavane Bhyo Vaishnava. This no time, this katha is unlimited. Maybe next time little more talk. बोलो श्री गुरुदेव की जय, सचिनंदन गौर हरि की जय, स्वरूप गोस्वामी पाद की जय, गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि।